Thunder Tiger.
Okay, I got fuel.
All right. You want somebody to hold on to it?
Nope.
You sure?
No, I got her.
Holy fuck.
Give her some fuel.
She's gonna want to go.
Give her some fuel, Ben.
Wide open. Start. Oh boy. Yeah, I think you hit your kill switch. No? That was scary. That was scary.
Yeah, lucky that wasn't your leg.
Did
Try
you
it, Ben.
Try it?
Yeah.
What?
Nothing? No electronics? Yeah.
Yeah.
Steering?
Did it push the thing down?
Must have.
Yeah.
Shit.
Run it without the cover.
Okay.
That's mostly what they do.
Okay, this is all still on.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, so scary.
Yes, it is.
It's terrifying. Oh, see, bruh.
So when you put it down, you want me to give her a
No,
take
but
off? Or?
see, I'm gonna. You got to start it. I'll hold it, and I'll give it a throw, and then you got to hold her wide open, right? That's the way you got to do it.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck, I like to put
Because
that top
there's no
on.
clutch on it. It's straight drive, so you have to shut it off before it comes to shore, right? There's no clutch on it. Right?
Oh my god.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. We're
I
gonna-
see what you mean.
Yeah, you gotta get it going, right?
Ben, that's gonna rip.
There's no clutch.
Yeah.
And that's nitro.
Okay, well.
That's Ivan with his magic wand.